In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn hundreds of dollars every single day with CPA marketing. And I'm going to show you how to do this using a very simple landing page that looks like this. And I'm going to also show you how to do this for absolutely free. All right. If you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. The method I'm about to share with you in this video, you can use with any CPA network of your choice, be it cpalead.com, cpagrip.com, or any other CPA network you want to use. Okay, so I'm going to be taking offervault.com as an example, as this is a platform where you can find so many CPA offers that are not even available on platform like CPA Lead or CPA Grip. So once you come over to OfferVault, you want to come to the search bar and you want to type in keyword like product testing. The reason why you want to do this is because you are going to see a lot of CPA offers where people can potentially win this product and test this product for the advertisers of this offer. So if I click on this offer right here as an example, you can see get the chance to review $200 general with $200, which means you are going to get $1.73 for everyone who sign up for this CPA offer. Okay, just like I showed you, this is the landing page of this offer right here. So if you go back to this page, as you can see, there are so many offers on this page. If I click on this one right here, iPhone 14, get the chance to review and keep an iPhone 14. Okay, so there are so many CPA offers like this on offervault.com that you can use to start making money. So I'm going to take this one here as an example, which says get the chance to test and keep the Xbox Series X. All right, so all people need to do is to sign up for this CPA offer and I get $1.73. Imagine you get 200 people a day. That is over $200 every day with just this offer. And keep in mind, these people also stand a chance to win this product as well. So now I'm going to show you how to drive traffic and make money promoting this product. So you want to make a very simple video that looks like this, and I'm going to show you a preview of this video. So as you can see, it says how to get a free Xbox X series. It's really easy to enter. You can see the image right here. Click the link in the description and enter. So once people do that, as you can see, this will be yours today. And you can see the image of the product right there. And also finally, you want to make sure to tell people to subscribe to your channel to win more products. Okay, so this is a very simple video that I created in less than 5 minutes, and you can create this type of videos on canva.com for absolutely free, and you can use this video to make money every single day, as these videos get hundreds of thousands of views every single day because there are a lot of people looking to get free stuff online. So all you just need to do is to collect those leads, and they also stand a chance to win this product. Okay, so now to create this video is very simple. All you need to do is to head over to canva.com. So once you come over to your account, all you need to do is to click on the video section. Once you do that, you want to click on this section that says mobile video. So once you click on this, as you can see, Canva wants to make things easy for you as well. They provided a lot of templates that you can use to start creating your videos right away. Some of these templates are paid and some of them are free, as you can see right here. But don't worry, you don't need to use any of these templates. You can create everything from scratch. So if you are taking this offer here as an example, so all you need to do is to head over to Google and you want to type in Xbox Series X HD image. So once you type this on Google, you want to make sure to come over to this section that says tools, and you want to come to usage rights and you want to click on Creative Commons license. So once you do this, you're going to see a lot of images that you can use for absolutely free without any issues. All right, so once you download the images, all you need to do is to come over to the upload section and you can upload these images. All you need to do from here is to come over to the text section and you want to drag a heading and you want to type in something simple like this: how to get a free Xbox X series. And this is going to depend on whatever offer you are using. So once you've downloaded the images you want to use, all you need to do is to drag and drop the image like this. So all you need to do is to come over to the animation section and you are going to see various animations that you can use for this text. All right, so once you do that, you want to do the same thing for the image as well. You want to go over to the animations section. You want to click on animate, and you want to add animation to the image as well. So this is how simple and easy it is to create a video on Canva. So once you do this, you want to create a next slide and you want to repeat this same step until you create a very simple video that looks like this. All right, so this took me less than 5 minutes to create, so I don't want to prolong this video Once you create your video, all you need to do is to click on the share button and you want to click on download. So once you download the video, all you need to do from here is to grab your affiliate link. And to grab your affiliate link, all you need to do is to scroll down and you want to click on this section that says run offer. So once you do that, it's going to ask you to sign up to this affiliate network. All right. And keep in mind, this could be any affiliate network. All you just need to do is to provide your basic details and you want to make sure to be as genuine as possible so that you are going to get approved right away. And if for some reason you don't want to use OfferVault, I recommend to use CPA Grip for this. All you need to do is to go to your CPA Grip account and you want to type in iPhone. All right, you can type in iPhone, Xbox X, you can type in all those type of products that people want to get for free. As you can see right here, there are a lot of iPhone products that you can definitely use with this strategy. All right, as you can see, a lot of these offers just require people to sign up and you will make money. You can see this one right here, $1.71, very similar to the one on OfferVault. As you can see, all people need to do is to submit their email and you make money. Okay, so you don't have to use OfferVault if you don't want to. You can simply use CPA Grip to do this as well. All right, so once you created your video, the final piece is driving traffic, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So the first traffic source is YouTube Shorts. So all you need to do is to create a YouTube account. So once you do that, all you need to do is to upload the video and you want to give it a very simple title like this: how to win a free Xbox Series X. Under the description, you want to type in, to enter this giveaway, click here and you want to make sure to shorten your affiliate link with tiny URL, or you can use bit.ly or any other URL shortener of your choice. And now to maximize your earnings, you want to make videos for the other offers as well. As you can see right here, here are more free products you can win. Enter the iPhone 12 giveaway. So if we go back to OfferVault, you can see there are numerous products right here. Just like I showed you, you can see this one for iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you go back here, you can see another one for iPad Air 4, you can see another one for Samsung, and you can include the links to these videos in your description. So once you do this, all you need to do is to upload these videos and you are going to start getting a lot of views, and many of these people will check out your link and you are going to earn money when they sign up for this offer. And keep in mind, you can post these same videos to TikTok as well, Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels to get even more traffic to your affiliate link. So now the final traffic source you can use is Facebook group. And all you need to do is to type in Xbox on Facebook. And once you type this, you are going to see a lot of groups dedicated to people who are interested in Xbox. So all you need to do is to join this group and you want to share the YouTube video to this group. And I can assure you that so many of them will want to check out the video and many are also going to click on the link. So this is a very simple and free strategy you can use to get leads for absolutely free with CPA marketing. And if you find any value in this video, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.